The first petal lands on your shoulder and you don't know where it came from. By the time you turn around, there are 20 more in the air, then 100. Then the sky disappears. This is the battle, the reason everyone came, the war. It starts with a ripple. Someone throws the first handful of petals, a small, almost apologetic toss. It lands on a stranger's hat. The stranger laughs and throws 2 handfuls back. A child screams with delight and empties an entire bag of rose petals over her father's head. And then, like a dam breaking, the whole street erupts. Petals fly in every direction. Not just petals, whole flowers. Carnations arc through the air like soft pink grenades. Daisies scatter. Roses disintegrate on impact, showering confetti. The air becomes thick with color and scent. You breathe in flower dust. You are being buried in beauty. The sound is extraordinary, not war. Laughter is the primary weapon. Shrieks of joy, the rustle of thousands of petals in flight. A sound like rain on a tin roof, but softer, sweeter. Children run through drifts of petals that have accumulated on the asphalt, kicking up clouds of color. Old women throw flowers with surprising accuracy. Young men film themselves being buried alive in blooms. There is no winning. There is no losing. There is only the glorious, absurd, overwhelming reality of being alive in this moment, in this city, while flowers rain from the sky. The meaning. Batalla de Flores is not a metaphor. It is not a reenactment of anything. It is exactly what it looks like. A city that has decided, once a year, to destroy thousands of flowers in the most joyful way possible. There is something deeply Valencian about this. The embrace of the ephemeral, the celebration of excess, the willingness to turn beauty into chaos and chaos into memory. These flowers were grown for this. They will last an hour in the air and a day on the ground, and then they will be swept away. And next year they will do it all again. You are watching the destruction of something beautiful, and you are smiling. No narration, no music, no commentary. Just the rustle and thump of petals in flight, the roar of laughter, the crunch of flowers underfoot, and the strange, muffled quiet that falls when the battle pauses for breath. Best experience with headphones. Alameda de Valencia. Feria de Julio. Batalla de Flores 2026. Real time, no cuts. Slow TV format. Natural ambient sounds, petals flying. Laughter, footsteps on petals, shouts of joy. Perfect for remembering that joy can be this simple, falling asleep to happy sounds, or showing someone why Valencia is different. See more slow walks, subscribe. And want more Valencia magic? Like the video?